Hello everyone, so I uploaded a video last night of a showcase of this, the RB-47, the Boeing RB-47H Stratojet, and I have done some changes to it, but that's not important. What is important is I'm doing a tutorial on this, the Cessna LC-126. So, this is another Cold War plane. What this one was used for, it is a seaplane, but it was landed on Antarctica ice, and it was a utility aircraft to like carry soldiers, equipment, and all that stuff. So you could build it on land, or not really on land, I should say. I mean, I guess you could, but if you want to make a seaplane, this is your tutorial, which I made the wings a little bigger, so it'll stay centered up. But then we have some signs right here with AR 949, and then registration 9194. It's on both sides. You can just make up whatever registration you want, but whatever plane. Whenever I searched up images of this is what I found. AR 949. Don't know what that means, but this is a single engine prop plane. And the cool part about this, I added a little hatch right here that if you break this glass block, you can shut the trap door, and then you can be like piloting the plane on this, but that's not what I'm going to do. Let me just check this out. Here's all the materials you will need. Let me just put that glass back. So just pause right now and take all these materials. If it's just ignore the one that says 2. Let me grab all the materials. So the water bucket is optional. I just brought it because I was making the on water. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go with this one on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you take this and put on both sides. You go right here, skip 1 block, add 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That, and then bridge fences right here, right there. And it is a little bit off center, but you can't get it perfect really, unless you want to just have 1, but it doesn't look that good because of what in real life it's like. Now you want to take gray concrete. How many do I extend? 2. Okay. Extend it out 1 right here. I think it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let me see how I made the bottom. Okay, so in the front, you're gonna wanna put blackstone slab on top of each other like that. And then go that all the way to the back. And then grab your yellow terracotta and your red terracotta. So what you can want to do is 1, 2, 3. So that's just going to be a stone. Then there, and there. And what you do, there. And then you do that and that. And then you have to have this one right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then now's the time to add the registrations. You can put whatever you want. I'm just gonna do H6J94. And then you do the same thing on the other side. H6J J94. I believe I did that correctly. And grab your glass blocks. Put right here. Put another one right here. Then now you want to grab the glass pane. Place 2 right here. Then you place another 2 on that side. And then, I'm sorry, do you need the dark oak fence gate? No, I don't think you need the fence gate. My original design had the fence gate, but I changed my mind. So you place that there. And then you want to grab the stone stairs. 1, 2. Then another 2. Then here's where the stone buttons come in play. Right here is going to be the U.S. Air Force logo. And then right here, yeah, we can add the other registration right here, which it's not. I don't think it's a registration. Just write A, capital AR 949. That's spam call. AR 949. And then we grab stone button. Oh, it's supposed to be on the other side. Here, I'm not gonna write it. I'm just gonna do that. Because then you put a stone button here. Time to work on the wings now. And the bamboo. Okay. And then that. And then you're also going to need the prismarine for the U.S. Air Force logo. Because that's like the best thing that I got. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Want to do that. And then 3 of these. On each side. Then 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Then you want to break the middle one and place the prismarine slab. Then you want to do the same thing right here. And then you want to right here. Right there. And then the rest is going to be smooth stone. And then this chapter here. And yeah, I believe this is it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and hope to see you in the next one. Let me just check around for any more details. Oh, come on. How many are in here? 3? 1, 2, 3. And there was a 4th one, but he died. But I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Maybe post that one. I'll maybe post that one. Hope to see you guys in the next one.